So, by the title, I think you could see what's happening here. For Christmas, my boyfriend proceeds to tell me he spoils the surprise. But long story short, he tells me he's getting me a PC. He spoils it because he knows that it would, one, stress me out. I'm indecisive. I would be stressed out. That's where I come into play. But in terms of the actual PC, that's already done. That's already finalized. But what I had to pick was everything else: keyboard, desk, mouse, monitor, mouse pad, everything. Today we're going to Home Depot to get a paint match because this little wardrobe I've had since I was literally like probably 10 or something, and behind the wardrobe is like pink paint because when I painted my room brown, as you can tell, I didn't move the wardrobe because I told myself, one, that I'm lazy, and two, I was like, when am I ever gonna move the closet? Let's be real. So that was future me's problem, and here we are. I peeled paint on this little corner because it was lifting anyway. My room is literally a fucking mess, but this is the swatch that we have. I'm literally a pig. If the white thing's in the way, I apologize, but all I know is that there is so much preparation needed for this. So I'm bringing you guys along. And also, like, PC, I've always wanted one, but I was a little too like intimidated to actually have and own one. My boyfriend just threw it all on me, which I'm so incredibly grateful. And the intimidation turns into excitement. So it's gonna be a long process. Pretty long process, but I'm really excited. He's not accepting the donut that I bought for us. Take a nibble. Just a nibble. Good shit. I didn't record in Home Depot, but we got the stuff. I just hope the paint match is pretty good. Now we go back and take apart that closet, which I hope it's gonna be easy. And mind you, I have to work tonight at 7. I work tonight at 7, and I'm doing this before work. It's really fucking cold. But I think I'm just excited to paint. That's the update now. I cannot tell you how long it's been. How long has it been? Like 4 hours. And this is how the room looks. We didn't record anything, but this is how it looks. Honestly, a bit better than what it was before. Okay, it does look kind of bad. We ripped off like the drawers and the doors to the closet, but the closet itself, this closet that we moved everything into is looking pretty good. But now I'm off to my overnight, and I'm leaving him to do everything. The goal is to take out the closet, and then tomorrow we can paint. Took a little break. Yo, my room looks horrible. We took a little break because what the fuck were we doing? Oh, yeah, therapy. I ate. We ate.
Get rid of the closet and smash it.
Oh yeah, we got rid of the closet. I didn't film any of that. But here she is, the corner. I wasn't lying about not painting the corner. So tonight's task is painting the corner. Fixing this mess a bit. Why? What?
I may have destroyed one of your brushes.
What? Which one? Which one? It better not be one I use every day. Oh, he broke my brush.
Bro, because it looked motion.
That's a fan brush, babe. Look how much like more space. Like my desk looks like so much smaller now. I'm gonna get like, I don't want to spoil it, but I want to spoil this part. The desk that I'm getting for the PC is a standing desk. No, the Sony Angel.
That was amazing.
Go back to your family. Oh. Let's see how this paint job goes. I'm sorry, I was about to say we finished.
Yeah,
I did the baseboard, but this is it. Look at the color match. Yeah, this part, we don't look at that part. We're gonna take an eating break and then get back to it. So we moved the desk to the corner. The desk would be there. And then my desk now looks so tiny in the corner, but we have so much more space. I'm going to get a nightstand to put in that corner. And then also a detail. There's an outlet under here, which is gonna make our lives so much easier. It was like meant to be, right?
Yeah, bro.
Cleaning paste. And, ew, stop! Ew! I'm gonna gag. No, why did you do that? That made me want to die. Oh, like that was basically like a fork on a plate. Fuck, forget what I was saying then. Anyway. It's the next morning. I feel like now you can have a better look at what it's looking like. So we just moved the desk that I have now in the corner, and then I have all this space here. I put all the plushies in a bag for now, and then a handful to sleep with. I've also fixed this little patch here that was white that I peeled off for the paint sample. I'm gonna have to get a hammock too. I might have to cave because I truly don't have anywhere else to put the plushies. And here we are. I have to get ready. I have like an hour or two to get ready because I'm going on a dinner with Kenny's family that I'm really excited about. I'm tired, and then tomorrow I have a 7 a.m. shift. It's currently Thursday. Wednesday is when the desk is gonna come in, which sucks, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm kind of in a rush, kind of not, because I am tired and I'm also very hungry, but I'm trying to starve myself until the dinner so I can eat good. Tomorrow's the day where John is coming to bring the PC, but the desk isn't here yet. Meaning we're gonna have to set it up on this little desk. Kenny's at work, so he's not here to help me. But it's okay because I'm a woman and I can do anything for myself. So my phone decided to not record the end of that, but I put it together really fast. It was 4 screws, that's it. This is her. Super, super cute. I'm just turned off that it says Tough Gaming right on the little mount thing. But everywhere else, she's super sleek, super like not too thin, but like I'm like happy with this. I think she's the perfect size. Now I'm gonna connect my Switch to it to make sure it even turns on and make sure it's not like broken or anything.
That is a very nice pink. Well, that shit kind of matches with your
The big one.
I just got home, guys. Took off my shoes and everything. Tiger's gonna see it too. Big stretch. I'm scared. I see the monitor. Oh my god, the keyboard!
Yeah, the keyboard looks so good.
This is her, guys. Bro, this glow up is gonna be crazy, guys. Just trust. I said trust. Just trust. He's so cute. This is the wallpaper, guys.
Pussy. Pussy.
I hope he gets you. That looks crazy. Get his chin.
Oh, stupid distraction. Oh.
Get his chin.
Oh.
So this is what we're working with down here. Not as bad because it looks like this up here, which is not bad. I have 2 baskets of these, so I should have added another one there, or I should have added this on that side. That was a lot more rushed than I anticipated. I was speedrunning because once I got home, I went straight to it. I did the cable management, I fixed everything, because my lovely boyfriend set it up last night. So when I came home, I had an overnight at my job, so came home and it was there. And so there she is. She's a lot bigger than I expected. This doesn't go here. This is the space. Top part is pretty empty. I have a hammock that I got for all my plushies, but I'm a little lazy to put it up because that means I have to move all of this. The cable management is the best it's gonna get, and this is her. I put Miffy and then a Smisky, and then my Power and Snoopy. I just put a random candle. This is all like just bullshit, y'all. I feel like I say this every video. I'm just talking and I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath as we speak. I guess I'm a little excited. I put my mirror here anyway, my switch back here, another Smisky. My monitor, I got this coil for the keyboard for it to look nice. I hate that the mouse is wired, but it's fine. Cables back here aren't bad, obviously not noticeable, but still everything came out literally perfect.